Hello students, good morning to all. So now we'll read percentage. So in last class we have studied about ratio and proportion, means we have remembered what we have studied in 6th class. Then we have learned some new way to solve or to find out the value. So today we'll study about percentage, that is also another way of comparing quantities. Like in school you are means in every day you are seeing that percentage is written. Like when somebody will ask how much percentage have you secured in class 6. So what you will do, you will see how much percentage, and if they will say means 30% is pass, more than 30% is pass, less than 30% is fail. So what you will say, you will see that if you have acquired 30% or not, or more than 30% or not. If somebody has acquired mark less than 30%, जदि 30% ରୁ कम मार्क मिली ताहले कौन होबो ताको she or he is fail. If somebody has acquired more than 30% mark or 30% mark, then he or she is pass. Then you have seen that our body contains more than 60% of water. So how much water? More than 60% of water we have studied. Then in earth we have 3/4 of water. 3/4 of area is covered with water, or you can say that we have 75% of water area in the earth. Like that we have some around 3% of what water, that is drinking water, or you can say or you can say pure water in our means in the earth. So like that we have heard everywhere about this percent, but how we will compare with the help of this percentage we will learn in today's class. So look at here Anita's report card here. Look at here, total mark she has got 320 out of 400. Then here percentage is written 80%, but Rita's report so total 300 by 360 means she has acquired mark 300 out of 360. 360 रू से केते मार्क पाइछि 300. Percentage is 83.3. If here percentage is not written, percentage is not written, तमे कौन कहबो 80% लेखाइ नथले 320 300, who has acquired more marks? Automatically by looking you can say that 320 means Anita has got more mark. But look at here, out of 400 जेतले तमे देखियो out of 400 320, out of 360 300. By this also you cannot say, but when you look at the percentage means if you have to compare, then you can do by proportion, so that you can see who has got more marks, marks. But if you will find out the percentage, in percentage it is easy to find out who has acquired more marks. So look at here 80%, here 83.3%. So by looking this percent you can say that Rita has acquired more mark than Anita. So if this type of thing can be solved by percentage. So Anita said that she has done better as she has got 320 marks, whereas Rita got only 300 marks. But here she can say, and you can believe. But if you are asking from how much mark, केते मार्क रू 320 पाइछि आ ई केते मार्क रू 300 पाइम, ये जदि 300 रू 300 पाइथिबो, ये 400 रू 320 पाइथिबो, ताले तमे कोन कहबो ये बेसी पाइछि ना ये बेसी पाइछि? So C has got 300 out of 300 means 100% mark पाइछि. ये कहते यार 80% mark. So who has acquired more? C has acquired more. So this is difference when you see that the percentage. So do you agree with her? No. Why do you think? Why do you think Rita has done better? Okay. Rita has done better. Why do you think Rita has done better? Because Rita has more percentage than Anita. Okay. So we can find out we can use this percentage so that we can easily compare anything. Okay. So percentages are numerators of fractions with denominator 100 and have been used in comparing results. So in percentage we have any number, okay, in numerator, and if numerator is A, then this denominator will be always 100. So this one we can write as a percentage. This is the percentage sign. So let's see. Percent is derived from Latin word that is per centum, meaning per 100, means in 100 how much it will be. It is represented by symbol and means hundreds too. Ako 100th भी कुहाजे, means 15% means you can say that 15 out of 100. 100 रू केते रहिछि 15. So 15% equal to 15 by 100. So this one you can write the 0.15 in decimal. Okay. So look at here. Here Anita's percentage is how much? Anita's percentage is how much? 80%, means 80 out of 100. Okay. And Rita's mark percentage is how much? 83.3%, means 83.3 out of 100. So which one is more? This one is more. That's why Rita has done better than Anita. Let's see one example. What is the percentage of boys and girls in the class of 100 students if the number of boys is 55, number of girls is 45? So what you will do? Like comparison you can do. So what you will do? So percentage of girls equal to number of girls by total number of students into class into 100 by 100. So you will write here number of girls is how much? 45 by number of boys is how much? Sorry, total number of, here we can write that total number of students equal to 55 plus 45, that is how much? 100. Okay. So 45 by 100, sorry, here we will not write 100. So 45 by 100, that is how much? 45%. Okay. So look at here, percentage of boys. Percentage of boys equal to number of boys by total number of students. So number of boys is how much? 55 and total number of students is how much? 100. So here we have already denominator. So what you will write it as a 55%. So in the class, girls percentage is 45% and boys percentage is 55%. So if denominator is given as 100, you can write it as percentage. If 1 by 100 means 1%, 2 by 100 means 2%, 30 by 100 means 30%. If 120 by 100, it also means 120 percentage. 500 by 100, don't change it. You can write it as 500 percentage. Like this, you can write the percentage. Okay. What if percentage, if total is not 100, if total is not 100, means if you are writing a quantity, that is, if you are, means here we have done both boys and girls, they have total number of students is 100, but if total number is not 100, then what we will do? There is another method. If the total number of quantity is not 100, that is the denominator is not 100, then find the percentage. We need to make the denominator 100. Okay, the denominator 100 not we can make it denominator 100, means we'll write what you used to do. Either we will multiply or we will divide the numerator and denominator so that we can make the denominator 100. Okay, let's see if total is not 100. One example is given, let's see. So look at here, out of 5 bees, 2 are going right and 2 are going right and 3 are going left. So what percentage of bees is going left? Okay, so out of 4 bees, the number of bees going left, we have 5 bees. Out of 5 bees, here you can make correction because total bee is how much? 5. So out of 5 bees, the number of bees going left is how much? That is 3. 3 bees are going left. So out of 100 bees, so you can write that out of 100 bees, the number of bees going left is how much? You can write that 5 3 by 5 into 100. So that is how much? 5 20 is 100, that is 60. 60 out of 100. So 60 out of 100 means what? 60 percentage. Okay, so here out of 5 bees, the number of bees going, what percentage of bees is going left? So out of 5 bees, the number of bees going left is 3. So out of 100, the number of bees going left is, out of 100, what you will write? 3 by 5 into 100. That is how much? 60%. Like this also you can find if total is not 100. Next you see that converting fractional number to percentage. How will convert the fraction number to percentage? So write 1 by 3 as percent. So how will write? I will make it as percent. So what we'll do here, fraction number, we can make it as 100. So what we'll do? 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 into 100 by 100. So what we'll write? Here leave this 100 and all this multiply or divide. So 1 by 3 into, what is this? 100 by 100 means 100 percentage. Okay, so here we have removed this 100 and we have it written as percentage. Now you can write, now we have got percentage. What you will write? 100 by 3 percentage. This one you can write as 100 by 3 means 33 and 1 by 3 percentage. So 1 by 3 has converted into percentage as 33 and 1 by 3 percentage. So first what you will do? You will multiply 100 in both numerator and denominator. Then you write this as 100 by 100 as 100 percentage. Then you do, then you mix it, multiply, divide, whatever it is given. Then you will find out the percentage. Okay. Next example, see. Out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? Okay. So percentage means out of 25 we have 15 girls. Means percentage of girls equal to 15 by 25 means 15 out of 25 means total children is 25 and girls are 15. 15 by 25 into 100 by 100. The same thing you will write 15 by 25 into 100 percentage. Don't use this one use as percentage. Next you write 25 for 100. So 15 for how much? 60. 60% girl means to what is the percentage of girls? 60% is the girl. So there are what you can write, there are 60% girls in the class. So you are right there. Hence there are 60% girls in the class. So you can take the example in your home. You have males and female member in your home. So you can find out total female number and total male number. Then you can find out how many percentage of male members and how many percentage of female member in your home. Okay. So that you will find and tell me. Okay. So can you eat 50% of cake? If this is written, what you will say? 50% means what? 50% means 50 by 100. 50 by 100 is how much? 1 by 2. That is how much? Half. Okay. So half means what? 50%. So if somebody is telling, can you eat 50% of cake? Means can you eat half of the egg? If it is written, can you eat 100% of a cake? So 100% means 100 by 100. That is what? 1. That is what? Full. So can you eat full cake? If somebody is telling, can you eat 100% of cake? Can you eat 100% of the meal? Okay. Can you do 100% of work? Means full total work or full cake you can eat. Okay. Next is 150. Can you eat 150% of cake? Means you will find 150. What is 150%? 150% equal to 150 by 100. That is how much? That is 0, 0, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. Okay. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2, or you can say that 1 and 1 by 2 means 1 full and half. Okay. Can you eat 1 full cake and other half cake? Okay. Like this 50% means how much? 1 full and 1 half. If they are telling 200% means you are eating 2 full cake. Okay. Like this we can convert this percentage, and if somebody is telling that this much percentage means you will see that this much amount we can use. Okay. Next you see converting decimals to percentage. Okay. So we have seen how we have converted percentage to decimals and fractions. Okay. So now we'll see how can we convert the decimals to percentage. So look at here written 0.75. What we can write as 0.75, that is decimal is given. So what you will do? You will write as 0.75 into 100 percentage. Okay, directly write 100 percentage. Then 0.75 is how much? 75 by 100 into 100. Okay, percentage. That is how much? You got 100. That is how much? 75 percentage. Like that you can do this one also. 0.09 is how much? You will write as 0.09 into 100 percentage. Okay. Then you write 0.09, convert it into fraction. 9 by 100 into 100 percentage. 0.09 is what? 9 by 100. This one you can write as 9 percentage. Okay. So next look at here 0.2. So what you will write? 0.2 into 100 percentage. You can write 2 is how much? 0.2 is 2 by 10 into 100 percentage. To 10 1 0 cut. So what you will write is 2 into 10 is 20 percentage. So it is very easy to convert a decimal into percentage. What you will do? First you will multiply 100 percentage, then you can do the operations as given and keep the percentage. Okay. So look at here, converting percentage to fractions or decimals. Okay. So here 1% is given. What you will write? You will write in fraction 1 by 100. Okay. Next you can write in decimal 0.01. Then 10% is what? 10 by 100, or you can write it as 1 by 10. Okay, 0 will cut. So 1 by 10. This one you can write it as 0.1 or 0.10. 0.1. Then 3% is 3 by 100. Okay, so you can write it as 0.03. 25% is 25 by 100. This one you can write as 1 by 4 because 25 4s are 100. Then this one you can write as 0.25. Then 90% means 90 by 100. You can write it as 9 by 10. You can write it as 0.9. 250% means 250 by 100, or you can write that 5 by 2. Okay, so this one you can write it as 2.5. Okay, so this is about converting percentage to fraction or decimal. Okay, next we'll see parts always add to give a whole. Okay, when we are adding the parts, so that time we'll get whole. Means if I am adding half plus half, then what are you getting? I am getting 1, means 1 whole. If I am adding 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, what I am getting? 1, that is whole. This is one part, this is one part. When I am adding these two parts, I am getting whole. That's parts always add to give a whole. जेतले part को add करियो सेतले कोन तमको मिलिबो? whole मिलिबो. ଗୋଟେ full ଜିନିଷ. If we know that one part of a whole, then we can find out the other part because all the parts together form a whole or 100%. ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ part means ଗୋଟେ percentage पाइथिबा तार अलगा percentage भी पाइ जिबा. Okay, so how we'll find? Let's see this example. If there are 25 women in the office out of office of 100 employees, 100 employees रे तमरो 25 women अछथि, then the remaining 75 should be men. 100 रु 25 जण 100 to 25 women अछंती, तो रेस्ट कोन हबो? 100 minus 25 equal to how much? 75. तो जदि 25 women अछंती ताहाले कोन हबो? 100 to 75 men. How we are finding? We are subtracting 125 from 100. Means what we are doing? आमे कोन करछु? 100 minus 25 कर दले हमको कोन मिलुची? Rest means 75 men. This means that if dash are women, how many are women? 25 are women. Then if 25% out of 25 out of 100 means what? 25% are women, then 100% minus 25%, that is how much? 75% are men. Okay, so 25 out of 100 means what? That is 25%. So women percentage how much? 25%. If there is 25% of women, then we can write as 100% minus 25% equal to 75% of are men. If I am writing if 75%, if 60% are male, then what I will write? Female equal to 100%. The full is 100% minus 60% equal to how much? That is 40% are female. Okay, like this we can do that. We can find out the parts if whole is given, means from whole. If one part is given, we can find out other part. So look at here. One with estimation. You have learnt about estimation. So percentage help to estimate the parts of an area. आम estimate करि परिबा केते percentage जदि हमरो part of area देछि. What is the percent of shaded portion in the given figure? Look here, nothing is given. A full circle is given. Here shaded portion is. Here this whole is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. So this shaded part is how much? What will write? Shaded parts is 3/4, means 3/4 part, and non-shaded part is 1/4. Okay, so we are knowing that this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. So 1/4 is how much? So this whole portion is how much? 3/4, and this is 1/4. So first we'll find the portion of shaded part. So portion of shaded part is 3/4. Now we can convert 3/4 into percentage. So how we'll write? 3/4 equal to 3/4 into 100 percentage. That is 4 into 25 is 100. 4 25 is 100. That is 75 percentage. So if this is 75%, this is the answer. If this is 75%, what will be this? What will be 1/4 part? Either we can find out 1/4 part by doing 1/4 into 100%, or तमे कौन कर पारिबो? If this is 75%, you can write as 100% minus 75%. So in these two way you can find out this rest portion if you want to find. But here we have given the shaded portion. So the percentage of shaded part is how much? 75%. Next we'll see there are some uses of percentage. So let's see percentage. Interpreting percentage. How we can interpret in percentage? There is given, you are knowing that there used to give 78% nitrogen is there in our atmosphere. You have studied 21% is oxygen. Okay, and 0.03 is how much? Carbon dioxide. Then rest is how much? Dust, all other particles and other gases. So this much percentage is given. How you will convert this percentage, means how will interpret this percentage? To use percentage in real life, we must able to interpret the percentage. Interpret means what? Interpret माने finding the meaning. Okay. तमे सेई थ्रू मीनिंग माने ताको केमिति बुझी पारिबो. इंटरप्रेट मीन्स फाइंडिंग द मीनिंग बोल. तमे जदि तारो मीनिंग जानिबो ताहले सेना बुझी पारिबो. सो we'll interpret the percentage लेखाइछि means we'll find out the value, actual value or meaning. If we say that Seema is spending 20% of her income, then it means that Seema is spending Rs20 out of every Rs100 she earns. कौन कहबो? जदि सीमा 20% तार इनकम रो 20% स्पेंड करूची माने खर्च करूची, देन एठी कौन कहबो? सीमा तार प्रति मींस each Rs100 रे से 20 rupees खर्च करूची. Like this we have 78% nitrogen. Means what? We have in atmosphere in 100 if we'll say 100 gram of air, in 100 gram of air there is always 78 gram of nitrogen, 21 gram of oxygen, 0.03 gram of carbon dioxide, and rest are dust particles and other gases. Okay, if like this, or you can say that in 100 kg of air, in 100 kg of air, 78 kg of nitrogen, 21 kg of oxygen, 0.03 kg of carbon dioxide and other gases. Like that you can interpret or find the meaning. Okay, मिति तमे interpret करि परिबो. So percentages are used to interpret. Okay, next is what? Next use of percentage is converting percentages to how many. Kete. Okay. So look at here. We can find the value how many. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% liked playing football. How many children like playing football? Okay. तो गोटे सर्वे रे कौन दिया 25% मीन्स 40 चिल्ड्रेन भितर 25 चिल्ड्रेन कौन लाइक करती कौन लाइक करती दे लाइक फुटबॉल. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू you can write that 25% of 40 equal to how much? 25 by 100 into of means into 40. So like this you can find out 10. Okay. Or you can write that out of 40 children, number of children who like means out of 100, 25 like playing football. So out of 40, what you can say? 25 by 100 into 40 equal to 10 like playing football. Okay, you can do by this or you can do by this 25% of 40. Okay. Next you see, next example. Rahul bought a sweater and saved rupees 200 when a discount of 25% is given. What was the price of sweater before the discount? You have heard about discount? Now in every occasion, सब occasion ने सब कौन बने बड़ बड़ मॉल रे नहले सबुतरे कौन कहते डिस्काउंट 25% डिस्काउंट 5% डिस्काउंट 10% डिस्काउंट. Okay, so how we will find out? In percentage it is written 10% discount. Okay, so how we can find out the value? Okay, so what you will do? You will know that 25. So Rahul saved 20 rupees 200 when price of sweater is reduced by 25%. This means that what they have price has been reduced by 25% and this 25% has been saved. Okay, means 25% of anything is 200. So what you will write? You are knowing that 25% saved 200 means this 200 is what? 25%. Because discount माने कौन एतिकी काटी की तमरो माने एतिकी पैसा काटी की तमको कौन कहिछि तमरो टोटल मनी नि आइछि. टोटल मनी रो 200 rupees कट कराइछि मींस 25% discount means 25% कट कराइछि. Okay, and that 25% is what you have saved, that is 200. So they have to find price of sweater. Sweater ro actual price केते थिला. Okay, before discount. So what you will write? You are knowing that you will write 25% of original price. We are not knowing original price. We'll find out original price is how much? Rupees 200. Amar 25 discount kete save karcho 200. So what you will write? Let the price in bracket you can write in rupees be P. Okay, I am writing. Okay, capital P. So 25% of P equal to 200. So 25% into of means what? Into P equal to 200. So you can write that 25 by 100 into P equal to 200. So what you can do? Here you look from P you should remove this 25 by 100 and 200. You should remove this. So what you will do? Sorry, you will remove 25 by 100 from, you will shift this thing from left to right so that you can find out the value of P. Okay, so what you will do? So here, you first 25 1 ja 25 25 4 ja 100. So 1 by 4 into P equal to 200. So now you remove this 4. So what you will do? You will multiply P by 4 into 4 equal to 200 into 4. So what you are getting? Here 4 cut, P equal to 800. So look at here. So by this method you can find out P equal to 800, means the original price. The original price is how much? 800. Or you can do by another method, like rupees 25 is saved for every rupees 100. You can say, because 25% is a discount, means if 25% means 25 out of 100, you can say that you can convert, means you can convert it into how many? Sorry, you can convert, or you can interpret this 25% as RS rupees in rupees. Rupees 25 is saved for every 100, means amount for which rupees 200 is saved. You can write that 100 by 25 into 200, that is how much? Rupees 800. By this also you can find. So here first you have done estimation for rupees. Rupees pai tome estimate करचो. तो 25% discount means प्रति 100 rupees रे तमे केते rupees save करिवो? 25 rupees. So 200 rupees save करिया पे तमको कोन दरकार? 100 by 25 into 200. So this is about percentage. I hope you have understood. Okay, thank you.